Hi, this is Patty Jackson, and I'm the director at Clear Inner Focus Education and Coaching. And we support successful business professionals in maximizing their potential and making the difference in the lives around them and in the world the way that you know you can envision through one-on-one coaching, through workshops, and through group coaching. So a big thing that we do is we help you understand what you're going through, and what the people that you're working with are going through is actually really normal human stuff. And some of the normal human stuff we do is think, I'm the only one that's experiencing this, or I'm experiencing this and there's something wrong with me. And then a third thought could be, I'm experiencing this and I should figure it out myself. I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money to spend more time on it. And I know that what we do shortens the gap between stress and solutions. It can take a lifetime of just being stuck and doing things the same old way. But like the law of inertia says, an object at rest tends to stay at rest unless started by an outside force, and an object in motion, like stress and frustration, and that inner battle feels like something that's in motion inside us, tends to stay in motion unless stopped by an outside force. And that's what I feel like our coaches do. So I provide one-on-one coaching by telephone. I have a limited availability, but I have some people on my team that are fabulous, that have had extensive business backgrounds and entrepreneurial backgrounds and coaching backgrounds, and they've been doing it for more than 10 years. So one-on-one coaching is something I highly recommend. It helps you carve out committed time and have committed tools, strategies, and feedback to help turn around a lot of things. This isn't because there's something wrong with you. This is because you care. And by taking a few minutes each week, half an hour or hour, to get clear on your goals, your intention, and how you're going to navigate the normal challenges that people experience, you can really shorten that gap between stress and solution and feel yourself really maximizing your potential, living that life that you really felt like you knew that you always wanted to be living. Not only in your success at work, but your success at home. The next thing that we offer is group coaching. And group coaching is amazing because a lot of times I can't see myself. But in a group setting, and I say we because whenever I'm holding group for space for a group, I'm always growing too. This is just normal human stuff. So group coaching is really cool for a lot of different reasons. One of them is that we inspire each other. Another one is you develop a community of people that you can go to when you're stressed out. And that's going to be someone who's not going to dissect the problem, but help you really stay focused on finding the solution. And that's something that develops over time in group coaching. I've had some group coaching groups that have been together for 10 years. The community that they build and the speed in which they succeed on both levels, their family and their professional lives, is phenomenal to watch. And it all happens in a little bit of time, once a week, of just getting clear on your intention, getting clear on your stressors, and moving forward. The third thing we offer are workshops. We do that over Zoom now, especially during COVID. We used to do it in person, and we've been working with Fortune 500 companies, small businesses, universities, and grade schools. What we do applies to all aspects and all facets of life. But what the workshop is it gives you some time and tools to be able to apply what you're learning to your life and practice it so that what we do actually gets integrated into people's habits, and what we do gets integrated into your culture. Some people continue with the business workshops and support for a long period of time. Others find 4 weeks is just the jump start they need to get themselves back on track with common language and tools. So those are the 3 things that I can offer you to support you in moving forward more effectively and really maximizing your potential at work and at home. One-on-one coaching, group coaching, and workshops. If you want to know more, schedule a call and I will find out exactly what you want. We can talk about what will work for you and go from there. Thanks for listening. Thanks for listening to your heart and your inspiration and spending some time paying some attention to your tension. Take care.